Good morning, students. Welcome back after the summer holidays. So already we have completed the unit 1 planning in sports, and we were in the third unit yoga and lifestyle. So subtopic of yoga and lifestyle is obesity, procedure, benefits and contraindications for Vajrasana and Trikonasana. So today we are going to discuss about the subtopic obesity and different procedure to do the yoga and whatever the benefits of the asanas. So first of all we will discuss about the obesity. As we know that these days obesity become big health problem in the society. Even we can see this obesity are facing the problem in all the countries in the world. Even we have seen in the childhood also are facing the obesity problems these days in the societies, or majority of the people are facing the obesity in the society. In this slides you can see the definition of obesity, or first of all we will talk what is the meaning of obesity. Obesity is that the condition of the body in which the amount of the fat increased to the extreme level is called obesity. Or in other words we can say about the obesity that when an individual weight is 20% more than an ideal weight is called obesity. So because of the obesity the people are facing lots of diseases in the societies. Lots of diseases like, or it can be observed such as cancer, diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular problem, respiratory problem, liver infection, etc. So if we will do the asana, we can prevent the such types of obesity in one individual. Now we will talk about the BMI, body mass index. If you want to know your body mass index, then divide your body weight in a kg by your height in a meter square. If you do such types of formula, you can very easily come to know in which categories you belong to be, or with the help of above table one individual may know which categories he belong to be. Obesity can be prevented or cured by following asanas. Now, as we know, the obesity become major problem in the society. So through the different asanas and yoga, obesity can be prevented or cured by performing the different types of yoga, asana in a daily basis. If one individual can perform different types of asana, he can prevent the obesity or he can cure from the disease like hypertension, cardiovascular problem, respiratory problem, diabetes problem. These are the problems can be cured by different types of asana. So now we are going to talk about the asana which helps the individual to cure the obesity.